Is your forex broker actually right for your trading style? Most traders spend a lot of time improving their strategy, their psychology, and their risk management. Very few ever stop to ask a much simpler question: is my broker actually right for the way I trade? In many cases, performance issues that look like strategy problems are actually broker environment problems. We've been working in this industry for more than 3 decades, and this is one of the most consistent patterns we have seen. Traders usually don't choose a broker deliberately. They inherit one from a recommendation, a video, or whatever was convenient at the time. Early on, that's understandable. Differences between brokers don't seem meaningful when you're just getting started. The problem is that trading behavior evolves, but the broker rarely changes with it. As traders gain experience, they change how often they trade, how long they hold positions, how sensitive they are to costs and execution. But they keep using the same broker by default. One of the biggest misconceptions in trading is the idea of a universally best broker. There isn't one. A broker that works very well for a swing trader can be completely unsuitable for a scalper. Broker quality is not absolute, it's contextual. What actually matters most is how you trade. Holding time, trade frequency, execution tolerance, session exposure, instrument choice. Two traders using the same broker can experience very different conditions, simply because they interact with that broker differently. Scalpers are extremely sensitive to spreads, slippage, and execution speed. Intraday traders care more about cumulative costs and session-specific behavior. Swing traders are less affected by execution speed and more exposed to financing costs and platform reliability. Position traders mainly experience brokers through swaps, stability, and capital efficiency. None of these styles are better or worse, but they require very different broker environments. What makes this difficult is that many of the most important broker characteristics are not advertised clearly. These things don't necessarily mean a broker is bad, they just mean it might not be neutral for every strategy. Regulation is important, but it doesn't guarantee suitability. Regulation answers whether a broker is allowed to operate, not whether it fits how you trade. When performance degrades, traders usually blame the strategy, the market, or psychology. That's often logical, but incomplete. If broker friction increases slowly or inconsistently, it rarely gets identified as the cause, even when it's doing most of the damage. At the same time, not every problem is a broker problem. If a strategy has no clear expectancy, or execution sensitivity is low, broker choice may not be the limiting factor. Choosing a broker isn't about finding the best option. It's about minimizing friction between how you trade and the environment you operate in. That decision isn't static. As trading behavior changes, broker suitability should be reassessed. We wrote a detailed guide that breaks this down properly. No hype, no promotion, just a structured way to think about broker fit. Even if you never change brokers, understanding this can remove a lot of unnecessary uncertainty from your trading decisions.